The topic for today is how to create a YouTube channel. First, search for YouTube on Google. Press enter. Click on YouTube Home. Click on Sign In. For creating a YouTube channel, first you need a Gmail account. Type your email ID for which you want to create a YouTube channel. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Next. After clicking, two-step verification will appear. Verify your account. After verification, it may ask for some Gmail account settings. For time being, click Not Now. After clicking, it will redirect you to YouTube. Click on Accounts. Next, click on YouTube Studio. After clicking, it will show you the default name of the channel and your handle name. Let's give a new name to your channel, and the handle name will modify automatically. Next, click on Create Channel. After clicking, you will enter the YouTube Studio. Here, your channel is now created. Now let's see all the basic channel settings of your YouTube channel. So the first option is the dashboard, where you will see your overall YouTube channel data. Next, click on Content. From this option, you can see all the channel contents. And also, you can upload your new videos. Next, click on Analytics. This option will show you the complete channel analytics. In the overview, you can see your video performance, like views, watch time, and subscribers. In the Content option, you can see the performance of each video separately. In the Audience option, you can see all the audience-related data. Next, in the Research option, you will get all the topic-related research from YouTube. Next, click on Comments. From here, you can see and control all your comments on all videos. Next, click on Subtitles. From here, you can add your video subtitles. Next, click on Copyright. From here, you will get all copyright-related claim data. Next, click on Earn. From this option, it will show you the channel monetization target and status. Let's scroll down to the bottom. As per new YouTube policy, to monetize your channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million shorts views. And also, it should be free of any active strikes. Next, click on Customization. From here, you can customize your channel. Like create a channel trailer for non-subscribers. Feature video for returning a subscriber. Recommendations for your viewers in featured section. Next, go to Branding. From here, you can change your profile picture and banner image. For demonstration, let's change the profile picture. Click on Change. Select your channel's logo. Click Open. Resize the image if required. Click Done. Next, change the banner image. Click on Upload. Select the banner image. Click Open. Here, it will show you the visible portion on different devices. Click Done. Next is the Video Watermark option. Here, you can put your watermark on your videos. Click on Upload. Select your watermark. Click Open. Click Done. From the Display Time option, you can set the watermark timing. Next, click on Basic Information. First is the name, which will show you the channel name. Next is Handle, which will show you the handle name. Next is Description, where you can write your channel description. Next is your channel URL. Next is the Share Link option, where you can share your external links. Next is Contact Information, where you can provide your contact information to the viewers. Next, click on Settings. In the General tab option, you will see your unit settings. Click on the dollar. From here, you can change the currency unit. Next, click on the channel. In Basic Info, you can select your country of residence. And in the Keyword option, you can write your channel keywords. Next is the Advanced setting. In this option, you can preset your default video details like kid settings, automatic caption, advertisement details, clip sharing. Next, click on Feature Eligibility. From here, you can see available channel features. Next, click on Upload Defaults. From here, you can make video default settings like title, description, visibility, and tags. Next, click on Permission. From here, you can authorize your channel partnership through the Invite option. Next, click on Community. From here, you can create settings for all your community-related activities. Next, click on Create a demographic. This option is for the YouTube Creators Survey. Next, click on Agreements. This option is for your default agreements. Next, if you want to change all the settings, click Save. If you don't want to change settings, click Cancel. Since I made this channel for demonstration purposes only, I am clicking Cancel. In your case, you have to click Save. After clicking, it will ask you for confirmation. Click OK. Next, click on the dashboard. After clicking, it may ask for confirmation of all the discarded changes. Click OK. So in this process, you can create your own YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.